Okay, hello. We're going to talk about alternate angles. As you can see in this diagram, you have two lines. The blue lines, they are parallel lines, and the red line is what we call a transversal. It's a line that crosses both lines. This angle 1 here, this sector here, and angle 2, they are called alternate angles, and they are exterior. What does it mean? It means that they are alternate. As you can see, angle 1 and angle 2 are on different sides of the line, the transversal line. They are exterior of the two parallel lines. Now, the two parallel lines, what's in between is called interior, and what's outside is called exterior. So in this case, 1 and 2 are exterior, the two parallel lines, and they are alternate around the transversal red line. Okay, and these two angles, they are congruent, they have the same size. I can show you another pair of angles that are alternate. Okay, so let's delete all this. We can have angle, this angle 3, and this angle 4. They are alternate, as you can see, on different sides of the line, the red line, the transversal, and they are exterior. So this is the interior part, and our angles are exterior, so we call them alternate exterior, and they are congruent as well. Now we talk about alternate interior. Alternate interior, they are in the interior part between the two parallel lines. They should be here between the two parallel lines, and they have to be alternate. If this one is on this side of the red line, this one should be on the other side. So we call these two angles alternate interior. Okay, now another set of alternate interior angles are here. This angle, you can see, and this angle, they are alternate interior. By the way, alternate interior, they create what we call a Z angle. So we have what we call a Z angle. So these two angles are alternate interior. Okay, now I would like to mention that whatever happens in the direction of the lines, this doesn't change the situation for the relationship between the angles. For example, 1 and 2 are alternate exterior. Whatever is the direction of my lines, they still stay alternate and exterior. Wherever you rotate the position, they are always alternate exterior. These two angles, this one and this one, these two angles are called corresponding angles. So we can have too many sets of corresponding angles. Okay, so we can have this set. These are corresponding. As you can see, both of them are on the same side of the parallel lines. This is above the parallel line, this is above the parallel line. Okay, corresponding angles, and they are congruent. They are congruent. Okay, show you all the corresponding angles that we have here. We can have these two angles. Okay, we can have these two angles. Okay, we also can have these two angles. So we have one set and another set here. These are 2, and another set here, 3, and another set here, 4. 4 sets of corresponding angles, and they are all congruent. Okay, so I spoke about corresponding angles and alternate angles. Let's talk about consecutive angles. This example, for example, this angle and this angle, they are consecutive. Also these two, this one and this one, they are consecutive, and these two angles, they add to 180. They add to 180 degrees. We call them supplementary angles. Okay, so for consecutive angles, they are supplementary. Alternate and corresponding are congruent.